Good day, fellow mathematicians. Welcome back to our video. Today we're going to discuss another topic in pre-calculus, and that topic is the first conic section. The first conic section, and what is it? It is a circle. It is a circle. Previously, in the last few videos, we have discussed the introduction to the conic sections, the types of conic sections, the circle, ellipse, parabola, and hyperbola. And we have discussed the distance between a point in a line and the concept of completing the square. And now, let's welcome ourselves to this concept of the first conic sections, which is the circle. First of all, let's define what a circle is. Circles. A circle is a set of all points P in a plane that are equidistant from a fixed point called the center. Alam natin, di ba, ang equidistance is equidistant. Ibig sabihin yan ay equal distance. And paminsan-minsan, sinasabi ng definition ng circle, it is a locus of a point. Locus of a point. What does that mean? Kapag locus, ang ibig sabihin yun, moving. Ibig sabihin, yung points ng circle are moving. What does that mean? Now, let's draw it. Let's have a Cartesian plane right here. Now, let's have a Cartesian plane right here. Ayan. And let's move it upwards. Okay. Ngayon, let's draw a circle. Let's draw a circle. Let's change the color to red. Okay, and let's draw a circle here. This is a circle. And this seems justifiable. Now let's move it a little bit. Okay, so that's clearly a circle, right? Now let's change the color back to blue and let's go. Now, diba ito yung halimbawa, lalagyan pa rin natin ito ng arrowheads to indicate that these are lines. The axis, or in plural is axis. Ngayon, what is the, assuming that this is the center, let's change the color to black to have distinction. Let's say that this is the point, the center. Ang sabi, ang center mo, pangalanan natin, let's say, yung ordered pair, kasi di ba ang point is an ordered pair. Pangalanan natin HK. Ito. Ayan, tapos, sabi, set of all points P in a plane that are equidistant from a center. Sabihin natin, ito yung isang point na yun, P. Pangalanan natin siyang, I don't know, X, Y. Ibig sabihin, this distance, tapos, halimbawa, may isa pang point dito, na let's say, P1 to, Px1, Y1. Ito naman si P2, X2, Y2. Ito, pareho yung distance na to dito. At pareho itong distance na to, let's say this is P3, X3, Y3. Pare-pareho yung distance ng lahat ng mga linya na yan. Kasi they are moving points. Lahat umiikot. They are moving in a circular motion. Ngayon, the fixed distance from the center C to any point on the circle is called the radius. The radius. Ano ba? This is a radius. This is a radius, and this is a radius. Diba? And yung point na nasa gitna is called the center of the circle. Diba? Yun yung sabi, fixed point called the center. So that's the definition of a circle. Ang tanong natin dito, karaniwan, what is the equation? What is the equation of a circle? Kasi kung i-recall nyo, ang lines may maraming forms. Ang lines, recall yung mga lines natin, may y equals mx plus b. Yan yung slope-intercept form. Yung y minus y1 is equal to m times x minus x1. Diba? Isa yan, yung point-slope form, etc. Maraming forms ang line. Paano naman ang circle? Yun yung tanong natin. Now, let's have a theorem. Ayun. Meron tayong sagot dyan, guys. Let's change back to color blue. Ngayon, Kung meron ng line na standard form and general form, naalala nyo ang sa lines, ang standard form is AX plus BY is equal to C, 'di ba? Ang general form ng line ay AX plus BY plus C is equal to 0. Hindi mo nilipat yung C, ibig sabihin lang ng C na to, yung constant nasa kaliwa. Yung pinakaiba lang nila, yung kapag standard form, ang constant nasa kanan, kapag general form, ang constant nasa kaliwa. At nag-equal siya sa 0. Ngayon, ano naman ang standard form ng circle? Ngayon, the standard form of a circle centered at C, H, K. Kahit ano yan, random. Let H, K, and R be real numbers. Ibig sabihin kahit anong numbers. Pero strictly yung R mo greater than 0. Yung R. Bakit? A circle with center H, K and radius R has an equation of the form x minus h quantity squared plus y minus k quantity squared is equal to R squared. Ibig sabihin, the radius should always be greater than 0. Bakit? Kasi di ba kapag circle ka, palagi kang positive, wala namang negative na distance, di ba? Wala, di naman pwede maging 0 yan. Kaya kailangan strictly positive ka in order to become a circle. Mamaya meron tayong remarks about that. Diba? Ngayon, but let's prove this theorem. Kasi diba, this is a theorem. This should have a proof. Ngayon, let's have a proof. Proof. Ngayon, magdodrawing tayo ulit. Let's consider this Cartesian plane. Let's say, ito na lang orientation na ganito. Ito. Ito yan. Tapos, ilalagay natin ng continuation ng konti. Kasi this is not physics. This is math. Kaya kailangan ganyan ang drawing. Kasi sa physics, kahit yung ganun lang na portion, ilagay natin ng extension para ito indicate that this is math. Ngayon, let's change the color to ito, red. Now, let's draw a circle. This is a circle. Woo, yan, may circle tayo. Alis, di ba, hindi siya yung sloppy drawing kahit papaano. Now, let's go to blue. Ngayon, ano gagawin natin? Consider the figure. Consider the figure. Ngayon, i-consider natin yan. Na may radius daw, ay na may center na, let's say, H, K. Sino yan? Ito si H. Ito si K. Kasi nga, ito yung point, H, K. Ngayon, tapos, halimbawa, meron tayo ditong point na P, X, I don't know, let's say, wag yan. Taas natin ng konti. Let's say, ito. Ito si P, X, Y. Sino yan? This is X, and this is Y. Ugaliin yung gano'n na. Pag magpo-points kayo, pantayin niyo palagi yung mga pinagtatapatan nyo. Ngayon, let's change the color to yellow. Itong yellow na yan. Ngayon, balik tayo sa blue. Ngayon, why are we drawing? Ngayon, consider a circle. Consider a circle with center, I don't know, H, K, and no, kailangan ganito yung sulat. C, H, K, and radius R. Yun na na-drawing na natin. Ito yung center H, K, and radius na R. Ito si R. Ngayon, let P, X, Y be an arbitrary. Ano ibig sabihin ng arbitrary? Kahit ano. Arbitrary point on the circle. On the circle. Tama? Notice that. Ibig sabihin, yung drawing natin, dinescribe lang natin kasi ganun pag nagpo-prove tayo eh. We have to describe the figure. Notice that these are 2 points. Diba? This is a point, this is a point. Notice that the distance between point P and C is the radius is the radius of the circle. Is the radius of the circle, which is r. Diba? Yun napapansin nyo. Yung distance daw nito, kitang-kita nyo naman in the illustration, these are the distance. So, ibig sabihin, we apply the distance formula. We can apply the distance formula, tama? Pag in-apply natin yung distance formula, what do we get? CH, K, tapos PX, Y, ganito yung ugali natin, di ba? Tapos lagyan natin ganito. Ang mangyayari, ito daw, recall natin, what is the distance formula, guys? This is x2 minus x1 squared plus y2 minus y1 squared. Di ba? Yan yun. Ngayon, apply natin yung distance formula. Let's change the color to maroon. Ngayon, yung distance daw, sabi, the distance between P and C, ito si P and C, is the radius. So, pangalanan natin siyang R kesa sa D. So, equal yan sa square root ng x2 minus x1, yung pangalawa minus yung una, x minus h squared. Napapansin nyo, nakikita nyo yung pattern? Tapos, y2 minus y1, yung pangalawa minus yung una, y minus k squared. Diba? Eh, di ba naka-square root yan? What we can do is square both sides. This implies that r squared is equal to x minus h, quantity squared, plus y minus k, quantity squared. So, mangyayari, pagbaliktarin nyo na lang, therefore, the standard form of a circle is x minus h squared plus y minus k squared is equal to r squared. And that's the theorem. Dinerive natin yung standard form of a circle. I hope you learned something today. I hope that you have appreciated the derivation of the standard form of a circle. In the next video, we will be discussing another form of a circle. We will be keeping this video short. And till next time, mathematicians, keep safe and have a good day. Goodbye now.